This is a brand new 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed manual transmission and a 2.5-liter inline 5-cylinder engine. Its top features include a built-in iPod integration cable, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.